It's officially the start of spring, and the sun's bringing a buzz to the garden in more ways than one. Warmer weather makes us all want to get out into the garden, and that includes pests and beneficial insects. Keep an eye out for aphids, snails, slugs and caterpillars who may suddenly appear on plants seemingly overnight. Give plants an application of seaweed solution to improve plant health and resilience. Most of the garden will actually benefit from an application of fertiliser now as plants move from their winter hibernation into their spring flush. This new growth is a sign to pests that the buffet is open. Crop protection will become part of your regular routine, with snail traps needed while seedlings are young and netting required as plants grow and caterpillars start to emerge. Many veggie gardeners still have winter crops in, with these harvested and removed over the coming month. As crops finish, replenish your soil and start to sow your spring and summer crops. Manure is a popular soil improver, but don't be lured into cheap roadside poo without doing a little bit of research. Horse manure is often full of weed seeds, so while it will bring some nutrients to your garden, spending the next 2 years removing stinging nettles is way off the benefit to bother scale. Instead, look for composted manures, which will have fewer weed seeds and loads of beneficial microorganisms. With direct sow crops like carrots and lettuce, stagger your sowing to extend your season. If you'd normally go through a bag of supermarket carrots a week, just sow 40 centimetres of carrot seed each week in your own veggie patch. This will ensure you harvest your crop at its peak and you enjoy the benefits and convenience of growing your own at home. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for details.